Hello and welcome to Ian's Bricks. I'm Ian and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and building this set here, which is set 76383, the Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment Potions class. This particular set comes with 3 minifigures, which we have Professor Snape, Seamus Finnegan and Draco Malfoy. And it's one of the books, in the book series here. You can sort of see here from the picture how the book sort of builds and opens up. And if I just show you the back as well, it gives you a little bit more insight here into how the particular set looks with all the pieces that sort of come off the side, and then how all of the books together, once you've got all 4, actually get built. So let's get this open. So we have the dreaded thumbtacks. I have my trusty knife. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. Right, let's get in here without making too much of a mess. Oh dear, I've buggered that up, never mind. I just slightly destroyed, never mind, whatever. Anyway, so let's have a look. Quite a full box. I think that's everything. There we are, let's pop that over there. So we have 2 numbered bags. 1, 2. We also get an extra piece as well, a longer piece. We have the 2 book ends here, 1 printed, 1 not. Show you what those look like. We also get, there we are, a dreaded sticker sheet, quite a large one. Not too bad though. And then we have the booklet here, which has got a fairly, there we are, it shows you how sort of which pieces are in which bags. Check the back of the instructions, just some adverts for the other books and some of the last year's Harry Potter sets. So there we go. So let's get this built then, and I'll show you what the finished item looks like. So here we have the completed set, and at the top of the book, let me just give you a quick spin round first of all so you can see how it all fits together quite nicely. There's the back. So we have the 3 minifigures. We have Professor Snape looking all moody, nice printing on there, back printing as well, and we have a different facial expression. They're always angry in the different facial expressions on these, which is quite interesting. We have Draco Malfoy as well. Again, he sort of looks stern as always on there. Again, some back printing, and he's got his angry face on again there. And we have Seamus, and he still looks a little bit happier, but again I think he has a, oh yeah, that's, he's got his dirty face, that's right, when his potions explode in his face. That's quite a fun little thing that they've got going on there, so really like that alternate face there. The book itself, so if I just open this up first of all, and you can see here that there's a few stickers and things, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to bits and sort of show you how it all comes to bits. So that's the table. This sort of just fits in loose here, and this is very clever, the way that sort of goes in and it sort of stands up, and there's the blackboard there. So that's really clever how that goes together. We have this little area here. I'll show you all these in a bit more detail once I get everything off. We've got a chair, and then this whole wall section here opens right out like that. So if I sort of show you the whole thing, so on the left hand side you have a couple of stickers here. They're relatively, they're not too bad to get in, even though they're in the indentation there. A little bit of scroll on the wall there about Tom Riddle. On the right hand side there's just a sticker at the top. A few air bubbles in there, look at that, there we go. And then on the right hand side there's this sort of whole section here, which has got potions and bottles. There's a little book which I put in there as well. I'm loving all the different colours of all the different potions and things like that. That looks absolutely fantastic. The middle section, which obviously opens right out like that, you have this little build here which is quite nice, which fits on top of everything with the sort of the slither and the snakes on there. And then on this side here you have a whole wall, lots of stickers. So we've got a big sticker there in this sort of corner piece, which is quite good how that fits in. If we look on the back of there, you can see there's just a little sort of insert there with a little table there, which is quite nice that they've used that space for something, with a little jewel on top. So back to this side, we have this whole sort of section here with a with sort of an arch, and again a sticker in there, and we have a sticker on this piece as well, and again lots of different colours for the different potions, which look really, really good how they all fit and go together. Looks really, really fantastic. Looking at the actual individual mini builds, we have this section here. We've got a sticker at the back, and the sort of what I would consider an ice cream piece here, in sort of this lime green. And then we have a little potion bottle, a cauldron with a little thing that goes in there. This is the chair, really nice chair. Seat, sort of fairly simple build, but really effective how that looks like a chair. This is the blackboard, which I think looks really good. I said that's sort of folded in like that, so when you place it away, it has to go like that. But that sort of stands up quite nicely, and then you have the I would assume the main table there that fits in. So it's slightly different than the other ones in the fact that it does have this long piece sticking out, so it's kind of almost like this side of the room doesn't really get used here, but I think it still works quite well. But if you sort of have that like that, you could maybe put the blackboard at the back, chair there, maybe the table, have all the figures there, looking towards the class. I think it works really, really well and looks great. And it is nice that all of these different sets do have a different way of sort of building this section. Again, this sort of wall, yeah, the back of it doesn't quite work, but I think this bit does work really, really well. So I just like how it all folds in together. It's all very cleverly done. Very good how they sort of fit it all together. So I really, really like this set, and I hope you like my review of it. Apologies if I waffled on a little bit too much, but they are great little sets. If you don't have these, then do get them, because they are really fun. I really enjoyed it. So thank you very much for watching as always, and please do take care.